On October 29, 2025, one single tech failure kicked off a massive digital domino effect.
So, what's the connection here? Well, it all comes down to the invisible stuff that powers our digital lives.
You had Alaska Airlines. Suddenly, its most important systems and its websites were just breaking.
And it wasn't just them. Heathrow Airport, one of the busiest on Earth, saw its website go dark.
It didn't stop there either. People trying to use the Starbucks app found it was completely dead. And get this, thousands of gamers got locked out of Xbox Live. Yeah, Microsoft's own service.
The connection? Turns out they all depend on Microsoft Azure, and it had just gone down, big time.
So what exactly broke? The problem was a critical piece of the puzzle called Azure Front Door. According to Microsoft, an accidental configuration change was the trigger, basically an internal update gone wrong.
And it wasn't a quick fix. For 8 straight hours, engineers were scrambling to get things back online.
The fix was basically like hitting rewind, a 3-step process to carefully roll back that bad update. But this whole thing might be giving you a serious case of déjà vu, and there's a good reason for that.
Because this happened just 1 week after its biggest competitor, Amazon, had a very similar meltdown.
Which really shines a light on a bigger issue. Only 3 companies control most of the entire cloud.
And as you can imagine, experts are worried. This creates a massive risk where one slip-up affects everyone. But here's the real kicker. The timing of this outage was, well, kinda unbelievable.
This happened on the same day Microsoft announced Azure's revenue shot up by a massive 40%.
For their part, Microsoft says it's fixed, with new safeguards in place to hopefully prevent a round 2.
So really, it leaves all of us with a pretty big and pretty important question to think about.